Mom's birthday is coming up fast. We can't just get her another random candle. I know. I've been thinking all day and I'm stuck. I want something that truly makes her happy. Flowers, chocolate, a scarf. Ugh, that's so boring. I don't think Mom will like them. Where's the glue? We can't make anything cool without glue. Maybe Dad used it for that broken chair. Or maybe it ran away because our ideas are terrible. These sites keep saying, best gift for Mom, and it's always a mug. Mom already has like 10 mugs. And she never uses the world's best mom one. It just sits there judging us. Some people say the shadows aren't empty. They say something watches when the lights go out. Why is this on? Tom, this is creepy. Just change it, Anna. It's only a show. I don't like that show. Sit back. It sounds real. Like, what if something is outside our window right now? It's not real. They say stuff like that to scare people, so people will keep watching. There, TV's off. See, nothing happened. But that show puts scary images in my head. Now I cannot stop thinking about them. It still feels like something could be in the dark. They might be watching us. You're safe. We're at home. The monsters are all your imaginations. They may be Dad's coach or Mom's purse. Hey, want to talk about the gift again? If we focus on Mom, you might feel better. Good idea, Tom. Tom, Anna, you two are pretty quiet tonight. Is everything okay? Yeah, we're fine. Just thinking about stuff. School stuff. And, normal kids stuff. Now, it's already dark. Look, the porch light is on. We'll be fine. I'll stay right next to you. The light only covers a little part of the road. After that, it's really dark. Come on. I don't want to go, and I'm here with you. Hey, what happens to Mom? Mom, are you okay?
That's me when I was little.
I still want to look at the moon, even though your grandma is not here. But I still have you and Tom. Oh no! The clouds cover the moon! It's so dark outside! Anna, where are you going? I think what we can do for Mom for her birthday. Mom said she wanted to see the moon, and we will help her.
The moon? Where can we buy the moon?
Hey, I have an idea. We cannot buy a moon, but we can make a moon. Do we really have to do it outside? I'm I'm still scared of the dark.
But I will do this for Mom. Let's go.
I will be here with you. Don't worry. Oh. Okay, Tom. It's darker than I thought.
I hope we can make it. You are so brave, Anna. Keep it up.
Hey, Anna! We can use this. Good idea. I'm about to throw it.
This is a nice spot.
Okay.
Be careful, Tom. Let's just put them in the bushes. I think that will work. Here goes nothing.
Wow. This is so beautiful. Mom will love it.
Oh no, this is not working.
We cannot fix them in time.
What a waste of time. We must find another way to make Mom happy.
Hey, look what we have. We can still make it. Let's follow it.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Mom will surely love it. Look, Mom, we made a big shiny moon just for you. All these little lights together. This is the most beautiful thing anyone ever gave me. Thank you, my sweet babies.
We love you so much, Mom. Happy birthday forever.
Grandma would have loved to see this moon we made together. Should we let them fly free now?
Yes, Mom, but they will always shine for you. 1, 2, 3.
Look how beautiful they go up to the real moon.
Our little moon is saying goodnight to the big one now.
Best birthday ever! I love my brave moon makers so much!
And every night after that, whenever Mom looks at the sky, she smiles and remembers her special moon gift.